guys, aing kudu nyusup we ayeuna ya bungkru
Ieu susuhanan dulu ieu deui sa emer hajar ku ieu sa emer ieu muslim lagu sajolan erek kumaha ai mun sa kontainereun mah ieu
beginilah nasib seorang pengangguran terpaksa nyusuh guys. Aduh.
I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits. I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Jolok ya Satyo, aduh abah iya mantap.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Pyramids, development, intelligence and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life passionate. A college graduate, suppressing all his talents. Give out a way to go and change, become an advocate. We're taking control of your life, go out and battle it. You think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks.
Anjing. Sen ngebuk. Gusti cikan atuh kieu ka para awewe tong ada harenteng bonteng cangcut kararoneng tingali ieu elak ku PRT engke di urang dipoekeunana cangcut nu kararoneng kieu Gusti aduh umatnya urang ada harenteng bonteng mana cangcut rusak darawin ya puntuan gitu.
Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
Mata jadi lalaki penganggur tipu lo kamu nganggur mah iya kalau nanya musik gegero padahal mah lalaki kudu ngadu atuh aing teh jadi nganggur goblok.
dianya capek meureun nyusul. Ya ini mah ambil hikmahnya aja guys. Bukannya seorang suami harus nyuci, harus apa. Kalau diambil hikmahnya ya kita kan saling membantu lah. Saling membantu. Ada kalanya kalau kita lagi nganggur ya nggak ada salahnya kita bantuin nyuci, beres-beres di rumah, gegero, rumah piring gitu. Itu jadi
Head is down. They'll try and kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Dari panas. Ripuh cangkeh.
Bruh.